Now seventh question. In figure 12.25, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter with the centers ABCD. Four circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally two of the remaining three circles. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay. Now that figure it is given in the textbook. Okay. Four circles are there and one square is there. Squares with squares corners as center. Four circles are drawn. You are asked to find out this shaded region. Okay. Now how to find out the area of shaded region? Area of this square minus area of this all four sector will give you area of the shaded portion. है See, this one is a square. Area of square minus area of this four quadrants or four sectors. Okay. Now what is given? The side of the square is equal to 14 and radius, you see this one plus radius of this and radius of this will give you the side of the square. That means radius will be half of the side of the square. Okay. So first find out what is R. Radius is equal to 14 by 2, that is equal to 7 centimeter. Now first find out area of square. Area of square is equal to A square, that is equal to 14 into 14, 196 centimeter square. Now area of 4 sector. So area of 4 sector will be equal to 4 into, what is the area of sector? Pi r square theta by 360, where r is equal to 7 and what is theta here? Theta here it is 90 degree because all angle in a square is 90 degree. Now get that answer. 4 into pi value 22 by 7, r square that is 7 into 7 into theta 90 by 360. Now 90 into 4, that is 360, that you can cancel. 1 7 also you can cancel there. 22 into 7, 22 into 7 is 154 centimeter square. Okay. So area of 4 sectors is equal to 154 centimeter square. So area of shaded portion, area shaded portion is equal to, that is area of square minus area of 4 sector, that is equal to 196 minus 154. Okay, 196 minus 154 is 42 centimeter square you will get. Now, eighth one, in figure 12.26 depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. The distance between two inner parallel line segments is 60 meter. They are each 106 meter long. If the track is 10 meter wide, find the distance around the track along its inner edge and the area of the track. Now look at this one. This is a figure given there. Okay. Now this is a figure given there. It is given two semicircles are there. Then this portion is there. Okay. Now let us mark that one. Okay, like this. So two semicircles you will get, and this much is 106. Okay. Now if it is 106, this also will be 106. The distance from this to this side will be 106. Now the semicircle, first one it is given, the inner circle radius is given 60 meters. Okay, this one is not radius, so diameter is 60 meter, and width of the track is 10. So here also 10, here also 10. That means diameter of the outer circle will be 60 plus 10 plus 10, that is 80. So diameter of inner circle will be 60 and diameter of outer circle will be 80. Okay. Now the first question it is asked, distance around the track along its inner side. So you are asked to find out the distance of this one, that is this 106 plus this 106 and the perimeter of this semicircles, that is 2 times the perimeter of the semicircle. Okay, that is the first question. Now second one is area of the track, that is the whole track area you have to find out. Okay, now first find out first question, that is distance around the track along its inner edge. So let us mark that one, small d, that is 60 meter, that is diameter of the inner circle, and capital D will be equal to 60 plus 10 plus 10, so 80 meter. So what will be smaller? 60 divided by 2, that is 30 meter, and capital R will be 80 divided by 2, that is equal to 40 meter. Now first question is distance around the track. Distance around the track along its inner edge. So that will be equal to that 106 plus 106, two sides it is there, so 106 plus 2 into 2 pi r by 2. Why 2 pi r by 2? It is semicircle, that is 2 pi r by 2. 2 times it comes, that is on 2 edges it is there, here and here, that's why. Okay, now so here it will come 212 plus 2 you can cancel there, it will be 2 pi r, 2 into pi value 20, it is not specified, so let us take 3.14 into 30. 212 plus 60 into 3.14, so 3.14 into 60 or 6 you can, so it will be 60 if it is comes like that, So 2 points. So 212 plus 188.4. So it will be 400.40 meter. It will come. Okay. Now second question, second part, the area of the track. The area track. Let us see how we can do that one. Now look at this one. You can mark it like this. So it will be a rectangle, a small rectangle like this. Here also, downwards also. So its length is 106 and it is given track width is equal to 10. So breadth is equal to 10 you can take. So two rectangles it will come. One is here in downwards and one is upwards, whose length is equal to 106 and breadth is equal to 10. Okay. Now you have to find out the area of the semicircle. That is, for semicircle area means the whole area up to this one it will come, minus the area of this part. Okay. So that will give you the area of this track, this curved one. Okay. So how will you find out the area? Area of these two rectangles plus area this portion, curved portion. Okay. Now area of track is equal to, first one, 2 times 106 into 10, that is area of rectangle. Then plus 2 times area of that curved portion. Area of curved portion, how will you find out? Area of that semicircle, pi r square, capital R square by 2 minus pi small r square by 2. So look at this one, 2 into 106 multiply by 10. 2 into 106, so 212 into 10, 2120 you will get, plus 2 times pi capital R square, pi small r square. So pi by 2 is common there. So take that pi by 2 outside. What you will get? Capital R square minus small r square. That 2 you can cancel. So 2120 plus pi value 22 by 7 you can put. What is capital R? That is 40 square minus 30 square. Now here either you can find out 40 square and 30 square, subtract that one, otherwise use that property a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b and a minus b. I am going to use that property here. So 2120 plus, so 40 plus 30, that is 70. 40 minus 30, that is equal to 10. Which property we used? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So that it will be easy for cutting. Now look at this one, 7 and 70 it will be cancelled. 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 22. Okay. So it will be 2120 plus 2200. So add that one, 2120 plus 2200. So 4320 meter square. Okay. So area of track is equal to what? How we have done? Area of two rectangle plus area of that semicircles. No, difference of that semicircles. Okay, so you are getting this one. Figure 12.27, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with center O perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. If OA is equal to 7 centimeter, find the area of shaded region. So look at this one. So one circle is there. Then AB and CD are diameters, then they are perpendicular to each other, that is given there. Then one circle is there and shaded portion, that means shaded portion include this smaller circle and this portion, that is the segment, two segments. Okay, so how will you get that two segments area? That is half of the circle, semicircle, area of semicircle minus area of this triangle. If you are taking, you will get area of this two segments. Understood? So this much portion you take first, that is half circle. Okay, so area of that semicircle minus area of this triangle will give you area of this segments, these two segments. Okay, now addition of add the area of this one to area of this circle will give you the area of shaded portion. Now what is given? The two diameters are there perpendicular to each other. It is given OA is equal to 7. Okay, OA equal to 7 means O is the center, it is given. So OA equal to 7 means OB will be also equal to 7, OC will be also equal to 7, and OD will be also equal to 7. That means diameter of the smaller circle will be 7 and radius will be 7/2 you can take. Now how will you find out the area of this triangle? Area, it is given they are perpendicular to each other, perpendicular to each other. That means it is 90 degree here, it is making both ends 90 degree. So this one you can take as base and this one you can take as altitude. So AB as base and OC as altitude. What will be the area of triangle? That is half of AB into OC. Understood? Now let us do that one. So circle, small radius, diameter of smaller circle, that is equal to 7. So radius will be equal to 7/2. Okay, now first find out the area of smaller circle. Area of smaller circle is equal to pi r square, where r is equal to 7/2. So 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2. 1 7 you can cancel. 2 you can cancel. 11 into 7. So 77/2. 7 3 times. Then 17 8 times, so it will be 38.5 centimeter square. Okay, that is the area smaller circle. Now area of other shaded portion. How will you get area of other shaded portion? that is equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Okay, area of semicircle is pi capital R square. Why we are putting capital R? Because that bigger circle it is coming, no, by 2 minus half into basis. I already told you, that is AB. Let us write that one, half AB into OC. So AB is equal to 14, OC is equal to 7. So pi, where capital R is equal to 7. Okay. So pi into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 by 2 minus half into 14 into 7. Now 1 7 you can cancel, 1 2 you can cancel. So 11 into 7, that is 77, minus 7 7s are 49. So it is 77 minus 49. Now 8 28 you will get. Okay, centimeter square. Now what is the actual area? Area of shaded portion will be circle, that is 38.5 plus this portion, that is 28. So 38.5 plus 28, 66.5 centimeter square. So you are getting the area of shaded portion, that is equal to 66.5 centimeter square. Now sixth problem we are not discussed today, so that after taking trigonometry we will discuss. Okay, so that example and the sixth problem will discuss after trigonometry.